Then come on the next terms, Indian system of numeration. What is the Indian system of numeration? The representation of numbers is allowed by two ways. One is Indian system of numerations, another international system of numerations. In Indian system of numerations, the chart is given below. The chart is given below. What is the chart of Indian systems? In Indian systems, this is classified into ones, thousands, lakhs, crore, arabs, and so on. Then ones is divided into three classes: ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands is divided into two classes: thousand, 10,000. Other divide lakhs into lakhs is divided into two classes: lakhs, 10 lakhs. Crore is divided into two classes: crore and 10 crores, and so on. So in Indian systems, first is divided into three classes, but other is divided into 10 and 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. That's all. So, as for example, when we decorate the numbers into this chart, how can we decorate? So, come on with example. First, suppose that you have the number 2, 3, 4, 5. How we will decorate this number into this chart? First of all, 5 comes at the place of ones and 4 at the place of tens, and 3 here and 2 is here. So this number is decorated into this chart. It is like this: 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. That means we can say that 2445. Then come on the next example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We decorate it like this: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 5 is at 1 place, 4 is at 10's place, 3 is at 100's place, and 2 is at 1000 place, and 1 is at 10,000 place. So we can say that 12,345. It is place value chart under the system of Indian system. Then come on the example: 1, 2, 5, 4, 5, 9, 8, 9. What will be the representation of this number? Here 9, 8 at 1 place, 9, 8, 9, 5, 4, 2, 1. Then 9 is at 1's place, 8 is at 10's place, 9 is at 100 place, 5 is at 10,000 place, 4 is at 10,000 place, 2 is at lakh place, and 1 is at 10 lakhs place. So we can see that it is in the Indian systems 12,45,989. So it is the representation of numbers into Indian system of numeration. Then come on the other example like this: if you have the number 4, 5, 3, 0, 1, 2, 1, 5, then we can say that it is under in Indian system 51, 5 crore, 12, 5 crore 12 lakhs, 10,354. So by this method we can represent the Indian systems. Now come on the next terms: international system of numeration. What are international system of numeration? When we represent the number into international system, then we call it international system of numeration. How we represent the numbers in international systems? Then come on this chart. We can see that it is ones place, and it is thousand place, it is millions place, it is billions place, it is trillions place, so on. Ones place is divided into three parts. Thousand place is divided into three parts. Millions are also divided into three parts, and so on. So all ones, thousands, millions, billions, and trillions are divided into three parts. Each part have one, tens, and hundred place. That means ones place ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. Each part is divided into ones, tens, hundreds, one, tens, hundreds, and after it we call the head name by ones, thousands, millions, billions, and so on. How we can represent this number? As for example, we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have the example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. How we can represent the number in this chart? Then see it: 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How we can represent it? We can see it 567 ones and 234 thousands. 567 ones, 234 thousands, and like this other numerals is represented. So let us the other example: 5, 9, 3, 4, 8, 7, 8, 9, 5, 8, and so on. So we can say 395, 7084, and 598. So it is the word split, but we have the count like this: 88 billion, 8 billion, 598 million, 598 million, 784 thousands, and 395 ones. That means we can say it 8 billion, 598 million, 784 thousands, and 395. We see it like international system. Then come on the other example. Next: 2, 5, 3, 8, 9, 8, 9, 5, 1, 3, 2, 5. Here these three numbers are in millions place. 159 under the millions place, 898 under the thousand place, and 352 under the ones. So we can say that 352, 898, 159, 523, like this. 523 billions, 523 billions, 159 millions, 898 thousands, and 352 ones. So we represent like this any other numbers, and then come on the other examples: 2, 3, 0, 0, 5, 1, 2, 9, 3, 5, 1. How we can represent it? 0, 2, 2, at ones place, 210 at thousand place, 539 at millions place, and 1 at billions. So we can say that this place is blank. So 1 billion, we can say 1 billion 539 millions and 210 thousands and 22 ones. We can see it like this. Now come on the next terms using commas and expanded form. How we can use commas in the Indian systems and international systems. We use commas like 1 systems, 1000 systems, and 10,000 systems like this. First of all, in 1 systems, we use commas after 3 digit, then after 2 digit, then after 2 digit, and so on. It is a representation of commas in Indian system. That means, first of all, we can use commas after 3 digits, and then after 2 digits and 2 digits also. It is the using comma in Indian system. But in the international system, this comma is used like this. All commas are used in 3 after 3 digits. That means 6, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, and so on. After 3 digits, every commas are used. So they are very different between the international system and Indian system. Then come on the next point, expanded form. What are expanded form? When we derive any numbers in its valuation, then we write it in expanded form. How we expand the numbers? Suppose that we have the numbers 53395. Then here after 5, 3 digits are possible, 4 digits are possible. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write it 440 at the place of 4 digits. And after 3, there are 3 digits are possible. So we write 30 at the point of this. After 3, 2 digits are present. So we write 00. And after 9, 1 digit is possible. So we write it 90 and 5 also. So we represent the numbers in expanded form like this. Come on the other example, 2, 3, 5, 9, 8. How we can represent this number? 8. After 2, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So we write it 40 plus after 3, 3 digits are possible. So we write 30 and after 5, 2 digits are possible. So we write 00 and after 9, 1 digits are possible. So we write it 90 and lastly 8. So we expand the number like this and we represent like this. That's it.